Hey Brian, what are you doing today?
Pulling wire, mounting cameras, and for some reason I've got Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy stuck in my head. We are in lovely Stockton, California. It's the destination of California. What, are you kidding me? Napa. Come here and take in the ammonia. We're at Calmco. So we are replacing their 20-year-old PTZ cameras that they've had up. So for now, we have a J box that will eventually have a switch in it. And we're pulling our new lines from here to about 4 cameras in this area. So that's what I'm in the process of doing right now.
This is bad. On his end, he has the light plugged in and it's starting to flash like right here. So like the light breaks out instantly. One of these other pairs will then be used. So basically what happened was Brian went to go test the fiber on the other side again. I was just sending light through this new fiber cable that we had found. It looks a little beat up. We're not gonna say all of these pairs are bad. We're just gonna assume that the fiber doesn't land where we think it's landing. Right now we're just throwing in a temporary switch because the switch that was currently already in here didn't have a power supply. We already got link lights on all these, so it's looking pretty good.
Pulling more wire here. Yeah, so this conduit goes all the way into their office, their operations center. We have liquid ammonia. Or to get the ammonia in its liquid form, it's gotta be cold as shit. All is well. Just need something to cut with and a drink of horrible coffee. You know, that spiral staircase is kind of fun as you're coming out around the outside. You're kind of like, oh, shit. It's kind of like an amusement park ride, but the very first time I went up there and was looking down and walking up there, it was kind of like a butt clincher, but give it a minute and you kind of get used to it and it's okay. See, if each section of stair is probably 8 to 10 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so call it 70, you know, 80 to get up there. Yeah, sure.